Hello, today I'm in Ford C-Max. In this video I'll show you how to activate Android Auto. In the beginning, connect your smartphone with car via USB cable. Once it's done, select Continue on the screen display, close, agree, and it's done. Thanks to Android Auto, you can use voice assistant, maps, YouTube Music or Spotify. You can make phone calls and use apps. If you want to disable Android Auto, go to Apps and select Sync. If you want to go back to Android Auto, select Android Auto. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.